Hello, la. Learn Spanish with music. Today's song, He Tratado by Victor Manuelle, is a very special song to me because it was given to me on a CD by my good friend Ricardo here in Merida, Mexico. Ricardo gave me a CD full of songs in Spanish when I first started learning Spanish, and I listened for the songs that I liked, and many of them turned out to be salsa songs, including this song, He Tratado. The music on that CD really helped me to learn Spanish, so basically, that's the inspiration for this channel. Let Halola be your Ricardo and help you learn Spanish with music. So stay for the lesson and sing along karaoke style later in the video. He Tratado is a salsa romantica song by Victor Manuelle. Victor is one of the most celebrated salsa artists to emerge from Puerto Rico. And unlike many salsa songs that emphasize upbeat rhythms and dance, He Tratado focuses on lyrical emotion and heartbreak, showcasing the deep emotional storytelling common in Latin American ballads. This particular song deals with heartbreak and how he's trying to forget. And in case you forgot, salsa is a music, a food, and a dance. And the music is one of my favorite genres. And this song is one of the first salsa songs that made me want to dance salsa by blending melancholy lyrics with danceable rhythms, a hallmark of Victor Manuelle's style. Okay, let's move on to the lesson starting with the vocabulary. He tratado, I have tried, or I've tried, in case you wanted to know how to do a contraction. Has vuelto, you have returned. Han contado, they have told me. He visto, I have seen, or I've seen. Merecías, you deserved. Supiera, that I knew in the subjunctive. Arrancarme, to tear myself away. Reprochar, to reproach or blame. Lo nuestro, what we had or our relationship. Olvidar, to forget. Idioms and expressions. He tratado de olvidarte, I've tried to forget you. Te has vuelto a enamorar, you've fallen in love again. Me han cantado, they have told me, or they've told me. Yo no puedo hacer igual, I can't do the same. Una cosa solo quiero preguntar, I just want to ask one thing. And here we have a bonus lesson for you. We're going to look at te has vuelto a enamorar, which is volver plus a plus the infinitive. This structure means to do something again. Volver conjugated plus a plus the infinitive is once again te has vuelto a enamorar. Grammatical examples. He tratado de, which is the present perfect plus de plus infinitive. I tried to do something. Te has vuelto a enamorar is the present perfect with volver a, again, to do again. Es que no puedo is a common phrase. It's just that I can't. Te he visto por ahí, present perfect plus direct object. Merecías un amor is the imperfect tense of merecer, expressing the past state. And another bonus lesson. Es que no puedo. Es que plus the explanation or excuse. In this case, we're saying, instead of I can't do something, add SK. It's just that I can't. Phonetic Pronunciation Guide. He tratado de olvidarte. Me han contado. Te he visto por ahí. Es que no puedo. Te has vuelto a enamorar.
Que te has vuelto a enamorar. Me han contado que te quiere como a nadie y que no te hace mal. Sí, me alegro en realidad. Merecías un amor que te quisiera y te supiera valorar. Que te he visto por ahí, caminabas de su brazo y sonriendo y luces muy feliz. Sí, mereces lo mejor, pero no puedo entender que tu alegría a mí me cause tal dolor. No te vayas, no te voy a reprochar. Una cosa solo quiero preguntar: ¿cómo puedes olvidarte de lo nuestro y yo no puedo hacer igual? He tratado de olvidarte en otro amor y no puedo. He tratado de arrancarme de la piel aquellos besos. He tratado de encontrar un nuevo amor en otro cuerpo, y lo único que hago es recordar que no te tengo. No te voy a reprochar. Una cosa solo quiero preguntar: ¿cómo puedes olvidarte de lo nuestro y yo no puedo hacer igual? He tratado de olvidarte en otro amor y no puedo. He tratado de arrancarme de la piel aquellos besos. He tratado de encontrar un nuevo amor en otro cuerpo, y lo único que hago es recordar que no te tengo. Que no te tengo.
He tratado de olvidarte y yo no puedo.
He tratado de olvidarte y te juro que no puedo.
He tratado de olvidarte y yo no puedo.
Y es que
No puedo, no puedo.
yo olvidarte en otro cuerpo y otra piel
No puedo, no puedo.
solo me hace recordar tus instintos de mujer.
No puedo,
No puedo y no puedo y no puedo, no puedo olvidarte.
He tratado de olvidarte y yo no puedo.
Y he tratado
No puedo, no
de
puedo.
arrancarme de mi mente esos besos
Yeah, sometimes it's hard to move on, even when the other person has already gone. Es que no puedo olvidar. And I hope you don't forget this song by Victor Manuelle. So let me know in the comments if you like the song or you want to learn more salsa songs. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.